What are we doing today?
Hiking.
We're hiking. Like non-New Yorkers. We're actually going out of the city. Holy moly, so many boxes. So we're going either to the place that everyone hates in New York, which is New Jersey, or Long Island, aka the 5th borough of New York, not Staten Island, it's Long Island. Don't really know which one we're going to. Sienna's gonna freeze. It's 57 and sunny.
Present to 125th Street.
Why is he so loud?
This is Roxborough 6 local. 138th Street is next. Step in, stand clear, close the doors, please.
We're on our way to New Jersey. Simon decided on Jersey. Sienna's waving. Okay.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
I keep craving you.
Confuse me with your mama way too better than that. While I do my money dance like, hey, so dancing on the ground like, hey, hit the new joint. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm keeping the finesse and getting paid. Ow.
You ready to hike?
Don't put it on me.
Ready to hike.
Catch me off guard every time.
Sienna and I ready. I'm ready. Hey y'all.
You're definitely the soccer mom now.
You only filming yourself. Can we get Sienna 2 in there?
Yeah,
please?
right?
My B. So
I
the
think
whole
Stop saying my B.
he doesn't like when I say my B. It reminds him of
Please say the full word.
Cardi B, my idol. The whole reason we started hiking is to fly Simon's drone and get some great shots. Why don't you fly it while we're walking, trotting along?
Not a bad idea.
Wait, so is there like
People are running.
Healthy
Healthy people?
Huh?
Just kidding, I run. We're gonna walk while he films us. And as you guys can all hear, we're supposed to act like we can't hear this freaking huge thing. Sounds like bees.
I can't hear anything.
Oh, he said, hold on. Selfie with the drone. Hello. Simon bought $100 worth of stuff from Forever 21. He's gonna return $95 of it because he didn't want to pay for shipping. Bet. You don't want to pay for shipping, right?
Yeah.
Guess who's gonna return it?
Manders, you're the queen of like chores.
Of chores. Thank you. I'm the queen of chores. Finally, we've reached Finland. Just kidding. So this is what upstate New York looks like. Anytime you hike in upstate New York, it looks like this with hills in the background. Pretty town below. I hear Drake. You guys hear Drake coming from that church?
No.
They bumping. Sienna's up there. Oh, it's so windy and nice. Oh, look at an eagle. Found the real good spot. It looks better than where I was before. I'm gonna put his drone 100 meters up in the sky from where we are. Oh, it's going away from us 100 meters? It's gonna be a little dot. Whoa, look how far away it is. Oh, look, there's a bird. You see? Oh, there he is again. Look.
Whoa.
Sammy, look at the bird. Well, make sure you're looking at the drone, but look at the bird too. Drone's coming back. I'm wearing Sienna's sunglasses because I'm allergic to this grass or something. It's making me cry.
We have matching hair.
She likes my bun style. The fly is back. Oh, there's a bird! Holy crap!
Oh my god, that thing is huge.
Simon! No, I'm about to leave. Peace out, Girl Scout. That bird ain't coming near me. Bye, Sienna.
No, don't leave me.
I ain't dying today. That whole time I wasn't recording?
Wait, really?
Okay, well, I'm gonna summarize. One bird tried to attack us. Then there was 2. Then there was 4, now there's 5. And they're all circling around, trying to claim their territory because they think that this drone is a threat. They're all over us. They're huge. Look, they're all over there now. They calmed down now that the drone's gone. Right there. He's looking for it. He's looking for us. He's going slow.
Alright, let's go.
I'm not about this life. The real hike. We just want to see if Sienna's gonna fall or not. I'm just filming in case you do. Simon's like a racer over here, speed racer. He won all the competitions today. Where the heck is he? I'm scaling a mountain.
My leg. I'm gonna fall off.
We gotta start working out more. Simon said yes with joy, so that means that it's an open, clear spot where we're gonna get attacked with more birds. Oh, it's very nice up here. Can't wait to get eaten alive by all 5 birds. Whoa, there's the city!
It's great.
This is the spot.
Baseball fields! Town. Nothing. Hello, little baby. Oh, it's windy. Let the bird attacking commence. Birds are coming! He's close. He's gonna go tell his friends. That took approximately 1 minute. Look, Simon, be careful. He's coming straight towards it. Oh, frick, Simon. No. Didn't know birds were so afraid of them. But
Maybe just give it a few minutes and then he can
maybe he'll go away. He'll come back, but we only have 1 shot.
Yeah, we'll probably head back anyway.
Sienna just realized what her hair looks like.
No.
Beautiful. Look at mine.
Yeah, but you always look like that.
Thank you.
No, I mean like you always have your hair in a bun.
So I always look like this, but when she looks like that, it's not okay.
Oh my god. I can't take a selfie with this. Look at me.
Take the picture. I look great.
Our last shot. Hopefully the bird won't come around and hit us. Yeah, the sun's coming out. I'm about to get me a tan. All right. Get ready.
Oh.
Hello.
So cool.
Oh, is that why you're hugging us? Great. I see a bird over there. He's over there. The bird's right there.
No, it's coming home.
Simon, look how far up it is.
I know.
I thought it lost battery.
Airplane.
Look, it's like the same size as the airplane.
Oh my god, it's gonna run into it.
Take a picture of the airplane.
It's gonna crash.
He's gonna crash. It's an overcast day here in, where are we? Hackensaw?
New York! I love New York!
Photo shoot. Simon looked the best.
I look amazing.
He wants to live life through the camera.
I look so much better through the camera. Like, I am so ugly in real life.
So, what people are seeing now, what, should subtract like 5? That's what you look like in real life?
You don't make no sense.
You do know it's. We have a long hike back. We got a long day ahead of us. Yo, let's get some Sonic. Oh, it's kicking my butt. Literally kicking my butt. Bird's still circling, but we leaving. Is this the way we went up? I feel like this is the way we went up, actually. Look, there's stairs right here.
Yeah, do that.
I'm just gonna hug the tree. I'm safe here.
I wish I was the tree.
What, so I would hug you? Yeah. Back to the car. Simon's literally fixing his hair in his selfie camera. Sienna now has to fix her hair. My hair is what it is. It's like a helicopter. Oh. This concludes our hike. We successfully made it out alive after almost a bird attack. How you guys feel?
Good.
We're feeling good. We're ready to drive back to the city.
Oh, no.
Reviewing the photos, and there's a hurricane happening on Sienna's head.
Oh my god. No. Alright, we need to find one where like my hair doesn't look like that.
Your hair was up in all of them. And it was
Yeah, but
windy.
there has to be like better ones.